Tell me something. Why do you wake up every morning already feeling tired? You slept for 7 to 8 hours, but still, your body feels heavy, your mind feels cloudy, and your soul feels drained. It's not just you. Millions of people are living exactly like this, dragging themselves out of bed, chugging coffee after coffee, staring at screens all day, and still wondering, why am I always tired? If you're watching this right now, I promise you by the end of this video, you'll understand the real reason behind your endless exhaustion, and more importantly, how to finally fix it. Stick with me, because this might just change the way you live your life forever. Here's the truth. Feeling tired all the time is not just about sleep. It's about the way you live your life. Think about it. You wake up, instantly grab your phone, and scroll through other people's lives before you even start your own. You spend 8 to 10 hours working at a job you secretly hate, just to pay bills that never stop coming. You eat processed food, skip water, and rely on caffeine like it's medicine. And when night comes, instead of resting, you're scrolling again, numbing yourself with entertainment until 2 a.m. And then you ask, why am I tired? Of course you're tired. You're not just physically tired. You're mentally, emotionally, and spiritually exhausted. And here's the harsh truth. No vacation, no weekend, no single nap can fix that. Because the problem is deeper than just rest. Let me break it down. Your body and mind run on habits. Every single thing you do, what you eat, how you sleep, what you think either gives you energy or steals it. Right now, most people are stuck in what I call the energy debt cycle. Here's how it works. You wake up tired. You use caffeine or sugar to push through. That crash makes you even more drained. You procrastinate because you have no energy to focus. Then you feel guilty, stay up late to catch up, and the cycle repeats. Sound familiar? This is the silent killer of dreams. Because when you live in constant exhaustion, you don't just lose energy, you lose ambition. You lose hope. You stop believing you can actually change your life. And that's why so many people stay stuck for years. Here's the good news. You can break out of this. Step 1. Fix your morning. The first 10 minutes of your day decide everything. Stop touching your phone. Drink water. Step outside. Breathe. Move your body. Start your day with intention, not distraction. Step 2. Feed energy, not cravings. Look, I get it. Fast food, soda, energy drinks, they feel good in the moment, but they're killing your energy. Replace one bad meal a day with something clean. Just one. Do this for a week, and you'll feel the difference. Step 3. Rest with purpose. Rest doesn't mean lying in bed scrolling TikTok. Real rest is sleep. Real rest is silence. Real rest is letting your mind shut down for a few hours so you can actually recharge. Step 4. Protect your mind. Tiredness is not just about the body, it's about what you feed your brain. If all you consume is negativity, drama, and bad news, no wonder you feel drained. Fill your mind with things that build you: books, learning, quiet reflection. Step 5. Find your why. This is the biggest one. Sometimes the reason you're tired all the time is simple. You're not excited about your life. If you wake up every day with nothing to look forward to, your soul shuts down. But the moment you have a goal, a dream, a purpose, you'll notice something strange. Energy comes back. Passion fuels you more than caffeine ever could. So let me ask you, are you really tired? Or are you just unfulfilled? Because deep down, you already know what's draining you. The job you hate, the habits that keep you stuck, the lack of purpose. But here's the good news. You don't have to stay this way. You can change your mornings. You can change your habits. And you can change your entire life. Every great comeback story starts with one decision. I refuse to live like this anymore. This is your sign. Don't ignore it. Because you weren't born to wake up tired, live drained, and die unfulfilled. You were born to create, to fight, to win. And if no one believes in you right now, that's perfect. Prove them wrong. This is your moment. Grind today, so tomorrow you live with glory.